In this video, we'll walk you through the master home page. I'll bring it up here. See at the top we have the school's logo and the identification of the campus, and I always have today's date up at the top. The school's name is identified here. This is the schoolware version that you're using, and we compile the number of students and staff that are active on the roster. And across the middle here are the 8 divisions. As we've talked about, the accounting, administration, admissions, business manager, front desk, human resources, IT or infotech, and the teachers. The front desk does not have any restrictions on access, but the other tabs are provided access based on your schoolware account. And across the bottom you will notice that those are my initials. This is my account that is open. Your name will show up there. If you're Mary Smith, it will be here, and this will tell you the type of account you have. For example, if you were an administrator, this would say Mary Smith Administrator, and you know that this is where you have full access to everything. Now we also have a calendar that pops up and displays the current calendar for about, I think it's 90 days, or maybe right into the future, and you can quickly scan through that. And these are the birthdays of students coming up, the forthcoming students. All right. Now, always the button across the bottom gives some important access things. For example, the back button takes you back one step. The accreditation brings up the certificate of accreditation and so on, in case you must provide this information for a parent or somebody. It's right here for your use. The document vault brings up a list of the common school public, or some would say, documents that are available across the entire school. There's not many here at this point in time. As you can see, we're getting quite a few into the system. The email brings up the bar here, so we can send emails. So if you need to send an email to all the staff, to a staff being one person, to all the students, to all the parents, to all the departments, to the IT fellows, or to the teachers only, this will take care of that for you. It's usually used by, and it's also available in every one of these 8 division home screen as well. The evacuation is the maps for the evacuation routes. I presume you can print those. I will add a tab up here. Now that I think of it, that will open the PDF so you can print from it as well. I had forgotten about that. Feedback opens an email with my name in it as a developer, grabs the layout you're on and a picture of it, so you can actually see I can actually see what's happening, and then you can type in your concerns or complaints or issues, anything at all. We're glad to hear from you. Okay, I won't save that. The crib sheet is a help sheet with the different pieces of things that you bump into, showing you how to handle all the different things. The location is a map of the school by name, its location, its email address, and its addresses and so on. You can actually copy these addresses. It will take them out, put them in a clipboard for you, and you can then paste them where you might want them. Close is when you're finished the closing. You can do, there's 2 choices. One is if you quit, that means it quits schoolware, which you should normally do, because when you stay open, not using it, that means another person in the school can't get access, because we have a limited number of connections we're allowed. And close simply is just to close it if you want to reopen it, or if you, and I will cancel that for now. The more bar brings up the same button bar that runs across the bottom of all of the home screens, and we have a separate video discussing that information. And across the bottom is the copyright information and the user licensing.